Diabetes is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or cannot use the insulin it produces effectively. As a result, blood sugar levels become too high, leading to serious health complications. People with diabetes often have to take medications, monitor their blood sugar, follow strict diets, and maintain a healthy lifestyle to manage their condition. However, because diabetes requires ongoing treatment, many people look for alternative solutions that promise to make diabetes management easier. This is where diabetes supplements come in. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about Diacylon, a powerful blend of 13 natural ingredients, each carefully selected for their proven ability to support healthy blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and promote overall wellness. You can read more on diacylon.com. Many companies sell supplements that claim to lower blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and even cure diabetes altogether. These products are often marketed as natural alternatives to prescription medications. They can be found online, in health stores, and sometimes even in pharmacies. Because they are widely available and claim to offer benefits without side effects, many people are tempted to try them. However, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has issued multiple warnings about these supplements. The agency has found that many of these products do not work as advertised and in some cases can be harmful. Some supplements have been discovered to contain hidden pharmaceutical drugs, while others have ingredients that cause dangerous side effects. This is why the FDA, along with the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has been cracking down on companies that make false claims about diabetes supplements. One of the biggest concerns the FDA has about diabetes supplements is that they often make misleading claims. Some products advertise that they can cure diabetes, eliminate the need for insulin, or lower blood sugar better than prescription drugs. These claims are not supported by scientific evidence. In fact, no supplement has ever been proven to cure diabetes. The only way to properly manage diabetes is through a combination of diet, exercise, and, when necessary, doctor-prescribed medications. Another major concern is that some of these supplements contain undisclosed pharmaceutical ingredients. This means that people taking these products may unknowingly be consuming powerful drugs without knowing the proper dosage or potential side effects. For example, some supplements have been found to contain metformin, a prescription drug used to lower blood sugar. While metformin is safe when taken under a doctor's supervision, taking it without knowing the dose can lead to dangerous complications, such as severe low blood sugar or digestive issues. Other supplements have been found to contain banned drugs like fenformin. Fenformin was once used to treat diabetes but was taken off the market because it caused lactic acidosis, a serious condition that can be fatal. Despite being banned in the U.S., some diabetes supplements have been found to contain this dangerous drug. This is extremely alarming because consumers who take these supplements have no idea that they are ingesting something that has been proven to be unsafe. Many people assume that if a product is labeled as natural, it must be safe. Unfortunately, this is not always true. Just because an ingredient comes from a plant or herb does not mean it is harmless. Some natural substances can be toxic, interact with medications, or cause unexpected side effects. For example, bitter melon is often included in diabetes supplements because some studies suggest it may help lower blood sugar. However, taking too much bitter melon can lead to dangerously low blood sugar levels, causing dizziness, confusion, and even unconsciousness. Another way companies mislead consumers is by using fake reviews and testimonials. Many diabetes supplements feature glowing customer reviews claiming that the product worked wonders. However, some of these reviews are paid for by the company and do not reflect real experiences. Others show dramatic before and after blood sugar readings that are either exaggerated or completely fake. Because of this, people who are desperate for a solution to their diabetes may be tricked into believing that these supplements are effective when they are not. In addition, some supplement companies use scientific-sounding language to make their products appear more legitimate. They may say that their supplement is clinically proven or recommended by doctors. However, in many cases, there is no real scientific study behind these claims. If a product has not undergone rigorous clinical trials and been approved by the FDA, there is no way to confirm whether it is safe or effective. Many diabetes supplements contain a mix of vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts that are claimed to help regulate blood sugar. While some of these ingredients may offer mild benefits in certain cases, they are often marketed in misleading ways that exaggerate their effectiveness. Worse, many people do not realize that these ingredients can cause harmful side effects, interact with medications, or even worsen their health condition. One of the most popular ingredients in diabetes supplements is cinnamon, which is often advertised as a natural way to lower blood sugar. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may have mild effects on insulin sensitivity, leading to slightly improved glucose control. However, these effects are not strong enough to replace diabetes medications. Moreover, cinnamon contains a compound called coumarin, which when consumed in high doses can be toxic to the liver. There are also different types of cinnamon, and the commonly available variety, cassia cinnamon, has the highest levels of coumarin. This means that people who take cinnamon supplements regularly could be unknowingly damaging their liver over time. Additionally, excessive cinnamon intake may cause digestive issues, allergic reactions, and interactions with blood-thinning medications. Another frequently included ingredient is bitter melon, a fruit commonly used in traditional medicine for lowering blood sugar. Bitter melon contains compounds that mimic insulin, which is why some believe it can help regulate glucose levels. However, bitter melon can be extremely potent, and consuming too much can lead to hypoglycemia or dangerously low blood sugar. This is particularly risky for people who are already taking medications like insulin or metformin, as combining the two could result in blood sugar levels dropping to life-threatening levels. In addition, bitter melon can cause severe stomach pain, diarrhea, and vomiting in some individuals, making it a risky choice for those with digestive sensitivities. Pregnant women are also advised to avoid bitter melon, as it has been linked to complications and potential miscarriage. A rising star in the diabetes supplement industry is berberine, often referred to as nature's metformin. Berberine is a bioactive compound found in several plants, and some research has suggested that it may help lower blood sugar by improving insulin function and reducing inflammation. However, many people do not realize that berberine is a powerful substance that can have serious side effects if not taken correctly. One major concern is that berberine can interact negatively with several medications, including antibiotics, blood pressure drugs, and diabetes medications, increasing the risk of dangerous drug interactions. Berberine is also known to cause digestive issues such as diarrhea, constipation, and stomach cramps, especially in higher doses. Long-term use may put stress on the liver and kidneys, making it unsafe for individuals with pre-existing liver or kidney conditions. Despite its popularity, berberine is not a well-regulated supplement, meaning that dosages can vary widely between different brands, increasing the risk of taking too much or too little. Another ingredient often found in diabetes supplements is alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, an antioxidant that is believed to help reduce nerve damage caused by high blood sugar. Some scientific studies suggest that ALA may have benefits in reducing symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, a condition that causes tingling, numbness, and pain in the hands and feet. However, taking high doses of ALA can lead to hypoglycemia, especially in people who are also taking insulin or other blood sugar-lowering drugs. Additionally, ALA has been shown to affect thyroid function, potentially causing thyroid hormone imbalances. Individuals with thyroid disorders, especially those with hypothyroidism, should be cautious when using ALA supplements, as they could disrupt their body's natural hormone balance. Another controversial ingredient is chromium, a mineral that is sometimes marketed as a blood sugar regulator. Some studies suggest that chromium may play a role in improving insulin sensitivity, but the evidence is inconsistent. While small amounts of chromium are necessary for health, taking high doses through supplements can be harmful. Excessive chromium intake has been linked to kidney and liver damage, especially in people who already have kidney disease or liver conditions. Some reports have also suggested that chromium may cause mood swings, dizziness, and skin irritation. Because chromium is often included in high concentrations in diabetes supplements, individuals who take these products may unknowingly be consuming unsafe levels. One ingredient that often appears in diabetes supplements but comes with serious risks is Gymnema sylvester, an herb that is sometimes called the sugar destroyer because it is believed to reduce sugar absorption in the intestines. Some research indicates that Gymnema may help lower blood sugar levels, but it can also be extremely potent and dangerously amplify the effects of diabetes medications. If taken alongside insulin or oral hypoglycemic drugs, Gymnema can push blood sugar levels too low, leading to severe hypoglycemia, dizziness, confusion, and even loss of consciousness. Additionally, Gymnema may cause allergic reactions in some people and could lead to liver toxicity when taken in high doses. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are strongly advised against using Gymnema, as its effects on fetal development and infants are not well understood. A newer but increasingly common ingredient in diabetes supplements is Fenugreek, an herb traditionally used in Indian and Middle Eastern medicine for blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that fenugreek seeds contain fiber and compounds that may help slow sugar absorption, but the evidence is still limited. While fenugreek is generally considered safe in food amounts, taking it in supplement form can cause serious side effects. Fenugreek has been known to cause stomach upset, diarrhea, bloating, and gas in many individuals. More concerning is its potential to cause low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, when combined with diabetes medications. Additionally, fenugreek has been linked to allergic reactions, particularly in people who have peanut or legume allergies. Lastly, some diabetes supplements contain magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in insulin function. While magnesium deficiency is linked to poor blood sugar control, excessive magnesium intake from supplements can lead to diarrhea, muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat, and dangerously low blood pressure. People with kidney disease are at particularly high risk, as their kidneys may not be able to properly regulate magnesium levels, leading to toxicity. Magnesium can also interfere with certain medications, including diuretics, antibiotics, and osteoporosis drugs. While some of these ingredients may have mild benefits in small amounts, they are not substitutes for medical treatment and can be dangerous if taken in high doses or combined with other medications. Many people believe that natural means safe, but this is not always the case. Herbs, minerals, and plant extracts can be just as powerful as pharmaceutical drugs, and taking them without medical supervision can lead to serious consequences. Diabetes is a complex condition that requires careful management, and no supplement can replace the expertise of a healthcare professional. If you are considering a diabetes supplement, it is crucial to speak with your doctor first to ensure that it is safe for you. Diabetes is a serious and complex condition that requires careful, science-based management. While many people are tempted by the promises of natural supplements that claim to lower blood sugar or even cure diabetes, it is important to remember that there is no miracle cure for this disease. The most effective and safest way to manage diabetes is through a well-balanced approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, routine blood sugar monitoring, and, when necessary, doctor-prescribed medications. Supplements may seem like an easy alternative, but as we have discussed, they can be misleading, ineffective, and even dangerous. One of the biggest dangers of relying on unregulated diabetes supplements is that they can give people a false sense of security. Many individuals who take these products believe they are controlling their blood sugar effectively, only to later discover that their condition has worsened. High blood sugar levels that go unchecked for long periods can lead to severe complications, including nerve damage, kidney failure, heart disease, and even blindness. For people who rely on these supplements instead of proper medical care, the consequences can be life-altering and, in some cases, fatal. If you or a loved one has diabetes, the best thing you can do is work with a healthcare professional to develop a personalized treatment plan. There are no shortcuts or quick fixes when it comes to diabetes, and relying on unproven supplements can do more harm than good. At the end of the day, your health is your most valuable asset, and it is worth protecting. The supplement industry will continue to push products that promise quick results, but as responsible consumers, we must stay informed, remain skeptical of unrealistic claims, and prioritize evidence-based treatments. If you ever come across a diabetes supplement that seems too good to be true, Chances are it probably is. Stay safe, trust science, and always consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your treatment plan.